Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to analyze and predict the next candlestick with candlestick psychology. The trend is still down. I'm expecting this candle to be a bearish candle. No sign of sellers. So next candle here should be a bullish candle. The market is not good. See, market is not good. My entry was triggered here.
Stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just fake it. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore. I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
Okay, that was a winning trade. But still the trend is down. So I placed put option because still the trend is still down. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, those whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. Got a body like a cold thing.
I'm going to place call option here, but the time is too. It's not more time for me. After this candle, next candle should be a bearish candle. Because the trend is down and some level here, then I can see some rejections. So I'm going to place put option because the trend is down, the minor trend is down, and there are some levels on the left side. The trend is down. Then I can see some levels on the left side, some reversals on the left side. Then also rejection from sellers. So I think next candle here should be bearish.
I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold.
There's no opportunity here.
Nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the
Okay, let me study what is going on here so that I can easily predict next candle.
says she got bad intentions. She's got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body,
Not
baby, show
sure
me.
if the buyers will enter
She's
here.
got a body like a cocaine.
Okay, so meaning I'll wait for the next candle. So let me check other currency pair. If this candle closes as green candle, next candle should be bearish. No, it's not a bearish candle. Trying to observe this, though the market is in a consolidation mode, but I'm trying to observe the left side.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it
I
seems, try to
think sellers should
figure out
go
what it
down.
means. Always do it on my
Oh,
own, so
late
I
entry
gotta get
again.
through it. And the only thing I know is to love
I
what I'm
think I may
doing.
lose this
Never
trade
give up,
because of my
never slow,
entry.
till I finally prove it. Never
The reason
listen
why I
to
go with
the
seller was
no's, I
because
just
I didn't
wanna
see any
keep
buyers
moving.
candle
Yeah, I
here.
put
I was
out all the
expecting a bullish
stops,
candle
my
so that I
only
would go with sellers,
medicine. Yeah,
but I
everything
didn't
I
see
do,
any
I'm just
buyers
being
candle.
genuine. Yeah, I'm
Instead,
sick of
sellers are
being
entering the
screwed,
market.
feel
So
my
I
own
think the
adrenaline.
sellers
Yeah, I
want
do
to
just what
continue.
I do, and I
Okay,
hope
the
you
sellers
let
want
me
to
in,
continue
let
to the
me
downside.
in. Yeah.
That is why I place put option.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going
One
hard, ain't
last
no
trade
fake
and
love, I want the real stuff.
I will stop.
Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show
The
you
trend
where
is
it's
down.
at.
I
Yeah,
know that,
you can
but
get it
let me
back,
check
cause I
if
ain't
I
never
can
done.
see
I'll be number one, working hella
some
hard till I
counter
get just
trend
what I want. Yeah, rising
entry.
like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me,
Okay.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough. We hook up in my car, driving so far. Play your guitar, you show me your art. Let down our guards, think
I'll
we
place
got
call
hearts. Step
because I
first,
think the buyers are
sing
entering
that
the
love
market
part. Drinking
from
too
this level.
long, way too
So
much
I
fun.
expect a
Out in the
bullish
sun,
candle,
knowing when it's
on bullish
wrong.
candle.
Took you to prom, dance to our song. Dance all night long till the lights come on.
If I lost this trade, I'll place one more trade.
It's too late now. I remember everything and how careless we
I
could
lost the trade because of my entry.
and how
I know I ignored to lose the
careless
trade.
we could be
Still, the buyers will enter the market
and how
because this is a
careless
continuation
we
candlestick.
could be.
Okay, I placed double trade here because I'm sure the buyers will enter the market.
And how careless we could be. Late nights, long fights, it felt right. We were alive. We would go out. We were so loud. We were so proud. We had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way.
Okay,
Careless,
that was a winning trade. So
fearless,
I have won
reckless. Time was precious.
six
We
trade.
had two
One is ITM.
lessons. Whiskey and
I didn't see
wine,
good opportunity
drinking
to
all
trade here
night,
on Euro
by your
GBP.
side, finally alive.
So
We would just drive, never
six
apart.
trade.
Our journey was life, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold. Never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Six trade, one ITM. That is five ITM. Okay, this is the first trade I took here because when I trade, I usually think the otherwise that okay, if I saw the buyer's entry on the left on if I saw a buyer's entry on this candle, I will go with buyers. If there's no buyers, I'll go with sellers. Actually, what I was
It's too
expecting is
late now.
here is
I
a bullish,
remember
uh, a bearish candle. If I see a
everything
bearish candle,
and
I will
how
still go with buyers on the next
careless
candle.
we could
Okay,
be.
though the trend is down, but I didn't see any
And
bearish
how
candle. So
careless
when the market
we
is
could
fluctuating,
be.
if the market is fluctuating up and down, and it finally closed like this, no bullish, no bearish, this indicates a sign of indecision. The market is indecisive. So in that case, if the market is indecisive, it means the market will change in the next direction. What we are expecting for this candle to form will not form if the market closes like this. So that means
And how
the market will change into the
careless
next direction.
we
So
could
this
be.
indicates that a lot of buyers who want to buy this market and a lot of sellers want to sell the market cannot decide. So that is why we call it
And how
indecisive candle,
careless
and that is
we
what this candle
could
means.
be.
So immediately I saw this indecisive candle, the trend is still down, so it indicates that sellers should want the battle, but no sign of sellers. That is why I decided to go with buyers. Though the market is not good, you see fluctuation, and my entry was triggered here, so I almost lost the trade. So that is why I place call option. Then I place put option again. I place put option again because still the market is still down.
I don't believe
Okay,
in
the market is still
destiny.
down.
I just do what's best for
the trend is down, then I still check on the left side that okay, this candle cannot go far no matter what. Okay, cannot go far. Then I always check on the left side to see what is going on. That is my own trading style. I check on the left side to see what is going on the left side. So the left side will now confirm to me what will happen in the future to the future candle. So that is why I go with sellers here. The trend is still down. The trend is down, and still the buyers. This kind of candle cannot just continue the market because the market is in a consolidation area. Okay, so you see that this candle also come to the consolidation area. Then we are seeing some sellers candle. So just to let you know that okay, that is how the market moves or behaves most of the time. Now let me explain to you. The buyers buy the market from here and stop here. A new order will open. That means the sell order will open. So the seller starts selling off. Now they begin taking their profits here. This is the area they start taking their profit. So as they are taking their profit, there are different ways that we can trade the market. As they are taking their profit here, some sellers are still trying to sell, while some buyers are still trying to buy, continue again. So maybe some buyers who fail at that moment think the market will still go up, but those sellers who think the sellers will go down, the seller will start selling the market, so they expect the price to go down. Okay, so but me, I'm expecting the price to go down because it's just like a um, rally base drop. Okay, so as the market is going down, I saw this candle formed, so it indicate the price will definitely go down. Okay, so that is the why I took this trade. Okay, if I say any good reason to go with buyers, I will go with buyers because this is where the sellers are taking their profits. That is why the market is consolidating here. That is why we call it base. Okay, then corresponding with this movement here, with this buyers entry zone here, some buyers entry zone here, this indicate also that this should be where they should take their entry, their profit. Okay, so from buyers entry zone we can expect some buyers entry, or we can expect a downtrend because this is where buyers entered. They will start taking their profit at the buyers entry zone, so we can decide where we should sell again or where we should buy. But I know the market will go down. That is what I know. So now this trade, I took this trade because see the market is still down. I check on the left side to see if I can see a bullish candle, then go with sellers. I think the first trade here, I lost this. Sorry, I missed this trade here. I missed this trade. No, not this trade. Not this trade. I think not this area here. Let me check if this. Yes, not this one. Okay, so what I'm saying is that okay, I didn't miss any trade here. So what I'm saying that okay, I was observing the left side. Look at this trade here. I was observing the left side, seeing the way the market is reacting on this zone. The buyers are reacting on this zone, meaning the buyers zone here, buyers entry, buyers entry. So as the sellers sell off the market, they will start taking their profit here. So as they are taking their profit here, the market is creating a base. So I check on the left side to see the way the market reacts. So now market is now at the base zone. So in that case, this candle will not continue the market to the upside because it's at the buyer's entry zone where the sellers are taking their profit. So I think the market should go more down, despite the trend is still down. Except the market is not down. If there's no trend like this, I would say okay, let us go with buyers. Maybe the buyers will go more up from this level, but the market is still down, so that is why we see some sellers entry afterwards. See the market again come to that same zone. we are seeing some sellers entry inside the zone. So that is why I place put option here. I think I lost this trade here. I lost this trade. No, let me talk about this trade. This trade also I go with sellers because I was expecting if I can see some buyers entry here. The first time I go with sellers here, I won this trade. Then I was expecting if I can see a bullish candle here to go with sellers because I was still expecting that I was still thinking the market is still in a consolidation mode. So that is why I think the buyers should enter. Okay, so because if you check on the left side, you see that the sellers are trying to enter the market. So that is why I was thinking, okay, as the way the market is now, sellers entered, buyers entered, sellers entered, buyers entered. So this time, maybe sellers should enter and buyers should enter. But I don't see any buyers entry. I don't see any buyers entry. Okay, so I thought, okay, that might be the time the sellers start going more down. So that is why I decided to sell the market. I decided to place put option here. Okay, so I thought I going to lose this trade because of my entry here. So I won the trade. Then this trade, this is the first trade I. This is the candle I took the trade which I lost because of my entry. I was checking on the left side. You can't draw or any levels here, but I was observing the way the market is reacting on the left side. Look at this zone here. Look at this base base area here. This is what I was expecting. This is what I was observing. A sell-off, a base, and a bullish. Like Euro USD and AUD USD, we can see a sell-off, a base, and a continuation. But this one, we can see a sell-off, a base, and a reversal. Okay, so you see that there are two ways the market can move: reverse or continue. So I was saying that okay, this is the area where the market, the sellers are taking profit. This is the area the sellers are taking profit. So now they will now decided if they will continue in the market or reverse the market. Okay, so as the price didn't go too far, so I know the market will just reverse from this level. So on the left side, what did I observe here? I observed the way the market react that buyers enter from this level instead of sellers to continue. So no strength. So that is why I thought, okay, despite seeing rejection here, maybe the buyer should continue again. I go with buyers, but my entry was late because of fast moment, because of fast bullish candle. So I lost the trade. Then I took again another call option because of this candle. This candle creates a new high. So buyers have already buy the market, reaching the new high. So I just think that maybe there's no sign, there's no opportunity, there's no reason why I should go with sellers here. There's no reason why I should go with sellers because of this new high. If I should go with sellers, that means I will be seeing some resistance around this area, some blockage. That okay, this candle is a sign of reversal. Let me go with sellers. This candle looks like shooting star, right? Okay, but if I say a support level here or resistance, then I'll go with sellers. But I don't see any reason to go with sellers. Even check on the left side. This is where the support level is. The resistance level is waiting. But here, this is a base. I can't use the base as a resistance because the base itself is where the sellers take their profits and buyers enter. So that is why I know the buyers will enter the gate on this next candle. So I decided to place call option twice just to recover the lost trade I had here. Same thing here, same thing here. Okay, so this is how I do analyze the market. I follow the market analysis and the market sentiment, follow how the market reacts on levels on the left side. Now let me tell you one thing. Before you predict candle, always check the current trend. Not all the time you check the current trend that you always trade in direction of the trend. Not all the time. check the current trend, because what I mean by trade, check the current trend, this tells you that who are still in control of the market. If the sellers are still in control of the market, then look for a level where you expect sellers to enter. Look for a level where you expect sellers to enter. If you look for a level where you expect sellers to enter, now look for the candle. Try to know the candle that form at that level. Okay, first the trend. The trend, check the trend where the market is heading to. Then two, look for the level where sellers will enter. That is your key level. Your key level. Then three, try to know the kind of candle that form at that level. Is it inverted hammer? Is it hammer candlestick? Is it spinning top? Is it doji? So this is the three main the three step to predict candle. The three step you need before predicting candle. Okay, look at this euro USD. Look at euro USD. The trend is still down, but the way I'm seeing the market here doesn't tell me that the market will go more down. So I go with buyers because of this. There's no sign of sellers, so I go with buyers. Then the reason why I go with sellers, because the trend is still down. I check the trend. Then I also check on the left side to see the level, this level. So I knew that this level is going to be a sign where a level where we can expect sellers entry. See the market reverse here. See the buyers enter here, sellers entered in the direction of the trend. Okay, first the trend is down. Second, this candle close inside where I should expect sellers entry with a rejection. Then the candle that form is not a candle, a strong candle that will tell me that the buyers should enter on the next candle. It's a reversal candlestick. So I placed a put option here. Okay, so you see that I placed put option. This is a reversal candlestick. Now look at this. Look at this. A downtrend, and if you check very well, this is where we can expect sellers entry. No, not this trade. I think yes, this trade. A downtrend, and this is a level where we can expect sellers entry. And this candle got rejection. That is my confirmation of this candlestick that the sellers, the buyers are weak. So I place put option. One, trend. Two, the level. Then three, the reversal candlestick. So I place put option on the next candle. Then this. Look at this. This is a counter trend. Counter trade. Level. Okay, downtrend, level. But this candle didn't reach the level. So I expect the buyers to continue. That's why I take this candle as a continuation candlestick. Okay, so that is why. Okay, here the same thing. The candle did not reach the zone. That is why I expect buyers to enter. But I lost the trade because of my entry. Okay, so that is that. Okay, these are the 5 trades I took. Sorry, these are the 6 trade, 6 item, 1 OTM because of late entries. Then 1 trade, 1 multiple entries. Okay. Okay. See you guys in my next video. If you like my video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Quit till 10,000 people going off when I drop this. I gotta make it now. Swear to God I'm breaking out. Swear to God I'll take a bow. Stand the stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud. Saying modest but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt.
Just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. Marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, hear them scream, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame.